I'm so proud of our partnership with PSCS and with the government of Maharashtra, where we are going out and the team is not just doing a lot of talk, but doing research and actually making it happen. Over the past 20 to 24 months, there has been a phenomenal difference. And don't believe me, go and check it out on Google Earth. Over the past couple of months, across multi-locations, there has been a huge environmental shift that the team is working with us on. It started with, it's a multi-hectare project across multi-locations. I think this is a phenomenal model, incredible work done by the team over there. When you take a look at the entire place, you will notice that the temperature in that area is much lesser. Soil erosion has been stopped, and the entire place, which was earlier a big garbage dumping ground, has now become a beautiful forest, providing huge ecosystem to flora and fauna equally.
मी ज्यावेळेस इथे हे प्लांटेशन करायला घेतलं त्यावेळेला इथे पूर्ण कचरा होता. तर कचरा आम्ही हा जिथे जेवढं खोल करत जाऊ तेवढ्या खोलीवरती कचराच निघायचा. मग आम्ही याच्यावरती माती, भुसा आणि खत याचं मिश्रण करून आम्ही याच्यावरती तो पसरवला. ते पसरवून त्याच्यावरती एक फुटाची रोपं लावण्यात आली. ते त्रिकोणी शेपमध्ये लावली.
If you come across to this place, you will really notice how this difference has been made by a small group of people who go all out to make this happen. I was visiting one of these facilities earlier today, and the passion that all of the team over there brings in is phenomenal. One of them was sharing with me about how sometimes there is water scarcity, and he would get up at 2 in the morning if the water comes in at that point to make sure that the entire facility is taken care of in order to make sure that the plants are green, the area is got the good biodiversity, creating the right kind of energy for the facility there, and obviously for the city and country at large. Over the past couple of months, across multi-locations, there has been a huge environmental shift that the team is working with us on. It started with, it's a multi-hectare project across multi-locations, starting with close to about 1.6 lakh trees, going to 2 point plus, and right now coming up close to 4 lakh trees across multiple species that have been planted at the various places.
तो महिलाओं ने ठीक है रो रहे हो कोई बात नहीं रो लो, लेकिन ये काम एक महिला ही कर सकती है. इट्स अ चैलेंज, एक्सेप्ट इट. अगर कुछ गलती हो जाती है, डर इस बात का लगता था कि पता है कि सक्सेस तो होने वाला नहीं है. फिर सक्सेस तो होने वाला नहीं है, तो फिर अगर कुछ इंक्वायरी लग गया तो सर्विस पीरियड में हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ बड़ी बात है ना ये. और ये हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का भी वर्क नहीं था. ये एक VSDF नाम की जो संस्था है वो हमसे जुड़ रही है.
I have been appraised about the initiative that Dilip and his team are taking for planting these trees in the various villages. About 36 villages are covered. It's a commendable job that they have done in the last 3 years. A big thank you from STL and STL board for this care and dedication and passion that they have shown for doing this project. I'm really pleased to have come here and watch with great pride of the results that have come out in these last 3 years. I wish the team very best, and I hope that they continue to do this work in the similar manner with dedication and passion. Thank you.